Hey folks, Jeff Brown here, Merchandising Director of Best Cigar Prices, and today I am here to unbox the Fuente Opus X Purple Rain, a super rare cigar. I'm saying there's probably only 200 boxes of these were ever produced in the United States, and I just got to show you the goodness that is inside of this. So let's get to it. Let's unbox these things. First of all, if you look on the outside, you see that it's 10 FFOX Purple Rains, limited edition, November of 2019. You open this box up and what do you see? What? Another box. Okay, well, let's see what's inside the other box. It's in there pretty tight, so they're going to arrive in good condition and nice. Look at this. There's a sheath on the outside. And again, FFOX Purple Rain. Fuente Opus X Purple Rain. We take the sheath off, and what do we have next? What? There it is. The purple in the purple rain. Dig, if you will, this picture. There it is. But wait, there's more. You open it up. Look what's inside here now. Okay? You're talking about a wonderful suede sheath protecting the box. What makes that so important? Well, let me tell you. Inside of this, we have a Macassar wood box. Very few of these ever made. So let's check it out and see what's inside, will we? Look at that. Boom. Look at the piano finish on this box right here. Limited edition, Heaven and Earth, Fuente Opus X Purple Rain. But wait, there's more. We got to see what the cigars look like. Open it up. Boom. Look at this. Inside, your certificate of authenticity. And finally, the treasure is revealed. There they are. 10 Fuente Opus X Purple Rains in this beautiful box. Unboxed for you. We got them exclusively here at Best Cigar Prices. Get them while you can. They're going like crazy.